Still stuck here? No problem. Here's the quick tips and guide to gain more level and skills. And you will believe guys that you can actually farm while offline or out of the game. So let's get started. First click the quest and choose the request because you can take request while doing your main mission. You can gain also extra XP and extra chrome. Second, buying skill book from the shop. You can buy normal active skill book or passive skill book. So let's buy this normal passive skill book. This skill book is cheap for the beginners. So you can have extra damage while we are still beginner. Then let's try this dungeon. In this dungeon temple upgrade, we can get reward like Kron. So let's try this. Nice animation guys. As you can see these golden goblins. We need to defeat them so we can get Kron. There is a time limit here. We don't need to kill all Kron mobs here. Just kill what we can. But it's better if you kill them all. Because you can get more Kron. You can also use scroll here. Because the scroll have buff for agility and strength. So this is guys what I'm saying earlier. We can play while saving our batteries. Or we can click this active hunting helper so we can farm even we are offline. There is a time limit for this helper. So use it wisely guys. As you can see when we activate this, the game will close. Auto hunting will begin and upon reconnecting, the game will switch to spectating mode. So let's try this guys. Let's reconnect to the game. So let's wait here guys. So let's enjoy the view guys. Now let's enter. As you can see guys, the helper is still working. Is still farming while we are offline and gaining XP and Kron. So we can maximize our XP here while we are offline. So let's end the hunting helper here and this is the results. And that's all guys, thank you for watching. Let me know if you have a question or suggestion. Peace out.